He has a bag. He doesn't have a bag. He has a phone. He doesn't have a phone. He has a bat and ball. He doesn't have a bat and ball. He has a camera phone. He doesn't have a camera phone. He has a book. He doesn't have a book. He has a car. He doesn't have a car. He has a bottle. He doesn't have a bottle. He has a coat. He doesn't have a coat. He has a chair. He doesn't have a chair. He has a computer. He doesn't have a computer. He has a kite. He doesn't have a kite. He has a hair. He doesn't have a hair. He has an umbrella. He doesn't have an umbrella. He has a raincoat. He doesn't have a raincoat. He has a watch. He doesn't have a watch. He has a phone. He doesn't have a phone. He has a ball. He doesn't have a ball. He has a pen. He doesn't have a pen.
He has a dog. He doesn't have a dog.
He has a computer.
He doesn't have a computer.
I have a bicycle. You don't have a bicycle. He has a chair. She doesn't have a chair. He has a bike. He doesn't have a bike. He has a jacket. He doesn't have a jacket.